What's up, you guys? So welcome back to my channel. It's Mark from the.rooted Progress, and today we are out in San Bernardino area. We're starting from where? Pioneer Town? Yeah, and then we're gonna drive up to where? Big Bear? Yeah. So I'm here with Michael. He has the Trailhawk Cherokee. I'm here also with Travis, who has the 4Runner, and then another Michael down there who has the Jeep Renegade Trailhawk. So yeah, don't know if my Outback is really suited for this trail. Hopefully it's not too bad. I've never done this trail before, but I got a lot of friends here that can help pull me out in case I get into trouble. So yeah, I'm still rocking the all seasons on the car, still testing out its limits before we start modifying it. So we'll see how today goes. Everyone else has freaking all-terrains. I'm so jealous. I feel like I'm left out here. And then, yeah, so. Hey guys, so I'm in the car now. We are going to start now. This is my first time using my in-car mount for my DJI Osmo Pocket. So it's kind of close to my face, but at the same time, since I'm by myself, I think this is the best position. All right, here we go. We got some soft sand here. Not too bad. The Subaru is actually really good in sand. The only thing is, since I'm on all seasons, I may not have enough tread. And my camera mount keeps swiveling all over. I don't think I can really use this. So another thing about all seasons is that they're okay for trails like this, but you just can't drive too super fast, because man, when you hit that rock or you hit that really deep rut really hard, it can really blow your tire. So you always want to be cautious when you're off-roading with all seasons. That kind of happened to me last time when I was at Big Bear. I wasn't even driving too fast, but it was really rocky and jagged, and so yeah, it just blew. So I think all seasons have a softer sidewall so that it provides more comfort as a daily drive tire, and also it helps with soaking in bumps on the road. With all terrains, you'll have a stiffer sidewall, so on the road you may have a lot more a lot more stiff in a way. You feel more bumps. So yeah, hopefully we're gonna get some all-terrain soon, guys, so don't bash me for off-roading the car with all seasons. I know I need all-terrains, but you know, sometimes when you have your Subaru, they come from the factory with all seasons, and you know, people are getting out there driving around. And ultimately, I just want to see what this car is able to do with all seasons, because I know once you switch over to all terrains, you start being able to do a lot more things because of the improved traction, the rigidity of the sidewall. Yeah. All right, uphill, let's go. Let's go! Easy, man. Not too bad at all. So this trail is pretty chill, pretty simple, not too many ruts, not too much articulation needed on this trail. So if it continues to stay like this, I'll go ahead and put the start of the trail location, the GPS coordinates, in the description below. Just anybody that's trying to get into off-roading in general, wants to just get their feet dirty, then this is looks like it's starting to be that kind of trail where it's easy and safe enough for you to try just doing some off-roading for the first time. Yep. don't know how well you guys can see the rocks that are just sticking out of the trail here. Yeah, I only have like 7.1 inches of stock ground clearance, and probably actually less because I aired down. Actually, we had to change our angle a bit here because to the right there's too many rocks. Hold on. I'm gonna have to reverse first a little bit. No, I'm gonna cut left.
Driver. All right, dude. Sick. You're good. All right, straight. Passenger slightly. There you go.
Alright guys, so we made it back to Pioneer Town. The Outback did well. There was only a couple of times where I was really worried about it. I had to back out a couple times. But ultimately, this thing did work. No pop tires. And yeah, didn't get stuck at all. So really good trail. Definitely need a lift kit, some all-terrains, because those all seasons are weenie hut. And yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and watch this Outback get even crazier. Peace.